Hello everyone, I'm Summer. So from today, I'm going to make a series of videos at how to invest your money into stock. So this is the first one. So in this video, I will talk about how you start to invest your money into stock, like what kind of thing you need to prepare before you put your money into stock. Here I will give 5 suggestions about the invested into stock. First one is the 5 necessities. Second is how to choose a broker. The third, the website you should watch. The fourth, the knowledge you need to learn. And then the last one is some book suggestions. So first one, there has some necessities you need to have. The first one is you use spare money. So for me, I'm a PhD student. So in the summer, I went to the company to do an internship. So I earn some money for every month. I'm a research assistant, so I get the funding from my advisor. So that money is enough for my living. So for the summer internship, the money I earn, so I can put some money into the stock. So this is my spare money. The second one is you need to learn knowledge. If you really want to invest your money, you cannot doing this for blind. You need to know the invest knowledge about this, and also you want to learn things. The third is you need to be patient, right? So there is no free lunch. You cannot gain a ton of money like very soon, right? So you need to be patient to waiting for the company you are investing they get more profit, so that you can earn money through the stocks. And the fourth is don't be greedy. Right? If you are greedy, you might lose your money at a very short time. And last one is you need to prepare for long term, right? Like the retirement, like the company you are working might give you the 401k, right? So if there are some company you like a lot and you think they will grow very big in the future, so you put the money in that company and they will make some money for you. That's the 5 necessities, I think, if you want to start invest money into stock, that's the thing you need to have. The second one is I want to talk about brokers. So for me, I don't have a lot of money, so I just spend $6,500 into the stock, and so the one I'm using is Robinhood. Robinhood is a free stock trading, so it has no fees when you sell or buy stock. So that's good for me because I don't have a bunch of money. So if I still use the broker charge the trade fees, it would be the big cost for me. So I use the Robinhood. It's a free stock trading. I like it. And so there are another, the E-Trade and Fidelity. They are very good ones, and also they need the trade fees when you buy or sell stocks. The third one, I want to talk about the website suggestions. Here are some website I'm looking at. The first one, the Investopedia, CNN Money, Yahoo Finance, investing.com, and also there has one is Chinese website. It's MBA library. So if you are Chinese and when you're reading this website, that has a lot of financial terms. I don't know because my major is not finance. My major is computer engineering. So I needed to look into the dictionary and to check what's the EPS, what's this term means. So this is a website I'm looking at. And so the fourth, I want to talk about some investing knowledge. That's the basic knowledge. Like if you want to start investing money, this is the thing you have to know. The first one is SP 500 index. So this is a the 500 company in the world, they have the biggest capital, right? So, and the second one is Nasdaq Composite. It's the technology company index, like the Apple, Microsoft. They all will show in the Nasdaq Composite index. And the third one is Dow Jones Industrial Averages. It can show the average, the American industrial status. And the fourth one is EPS. EPS is earning per share, so it's the profit the stock earn. And the PE ratio is the price to earning ratio. It's the stock price divided by the EPS. So another one is dividend yield ratio. That's kind of like you put your money into the bank and they give you some interest. That's the same thing. So you invest the company and they give you some dividend. The last one is beta. That's like a parameter to evaluate the company is related to the whole stock market, right? So the whole stock market, it can be show by the S&P 500 index, the Nasdaq index, and the Dow Jones index. So the beta means if the beta bigger than 0, it means they have the same direction as the stock market. If the stock market is growing, is rising, then the company is rising. If the beta is negative, is smaller than 0, then if the stock market is rising, then this stock will drop in, right? So this is all the very basic knowledge, but if you want to start investing the money, I think this is at least you need to know, and you wanted to know more. That's very important. And the last one is I have some book suggestions. So I have 3 books suggestions, and they are all I have read or I'm now reading about it. And the first one is Earning Account. It's Harvard Hessman. This book is telling people how to evaluate the stock using the balance sheet. You look at the financial status, and you decide, you can tell that this company is growing or not. That's very useful. And the second one is the Intelligent Investor, and it's written by Benjamin Graham. So he's the teacher of the Buffett. So it's like the most important book you need to read. And the last one is Common Stock and Common Profits. I just borrowed this book from my university library, so I'm going to read it very soon. If you want to start invest your money, I think you need to read these 3 books. They are very good. They can help you to learn a lot of knowledge for the stocks. Okay, this is my first video for the beginners, like to tell people if you want to invest your money into stock, what kind of thing you need to prepare and what kind of thing you need to know. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. I'm Summer. I'm a student in USA, and if you have any questions, you can comment, and I'd love to chat with you. Thank you. Bye bye.